Hi guys, welcome to my first unboxing video, and today we're going to look at the Allister orbital sander. As you probably know, these are B&Q own brand products that they push out relatively cheap and hopefully good, because this is in my price budget. It's around about £34, and I think I got a 10% discount with my B&Q club card, which was nice. So this orbital sander is a 300 watt. It comes with sanding disc, says on there, sanding disc, vacuum bag and a hoover attachment, and also a 2-year guarantee. Lovely. So we turn the box round, tells us what's in there. It's an orbital sander. Whee! Top marks. Get one sheet, bit tight if you ask me, one sheet, and one sheet doesn't do plenty as the advert normally says. Get the dust bag as it says again, and the vacuum adapter. On the back here basically gives you a little bit of information. It's orbital base, that's good, it's round. Orbital sander, always good. Hook and loop paper attachment. What's that? For quick and easy change of sanding sheets. Oh, I see, it's got a Velcro. It's a Velcro pad basically. So you're going to take it off and easy on. And a vacuum attachment. Alright, so let's get into the box and have a look-ski with my knife. Be careful guys, knives aren't toys. These could hurt you and cut you, because knives would do that. So be careful with a knife. They can hurt and cut and make you bleed. We don't like bleeding, makes a mess. Right, so let's get this cut open. Nice. Put that away. Let's get a look what's inside the box here. Believe it or not, in this box is an orbital sander. And as it says on the box, here is the dust bag, handy, the hoover attachment. I don't know if it'll fit mine or not, possibly. Instructions, and the orbital sander itself. Just get it out a second. And in here is going to be the sanding disc. It feels like a medium, 80 grain. Not too shabby. Let's put that box over there for a second. Right, so the actual weight of the orbital sander isn't bad. Okay, it's not bad. So we've got the on-off switch on the front. We've got the power rotational switch on the side, so it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, max power. Okay, and as I said, it's the Velcro sheety sheet there, very Velcro-y. Can you hear it? Yeah. Because we're in the UK fitted standard plug. So this will just fit on, lining the holes up for the dust extraction. Oh, line those holes up badly. That's it. Not too bad. A bit windy out there. Don't know if you heard that. Okay, so it fits on there nice. Now, this is a dust extractor. So it's got a bayonet fitting and a little rubber ring to seal it on the back. So I'll put that in. So it goes in, and a little twist, and it's on. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do, I've got a little project I'm doing at the moment. It's just something I'm making out of the scrap bits of wood I've got left over from other pallet jobs I've made. So what I need to do, I'll tell you, I'm going to tell you if you want to know or not. is sand the back of this little project I'm making. I'll tell you what it is in a second once I've plugged this in. That's the sander. I'm going to plug the sander in, guys. Just make sure it's off. It is. Okay, that is plugged in and live. Live! I'm going to put a little mask on. You can't see me do this. That's the pleasure. Because there's going to be a bit of dust, I know there is. Even though it's got a dust extractor on it, there's going to be dust. So you can still hear me because I've got a mask on. Anyway, put it to one side for a minute. This is what I've been making out of bits of scrap wood at the moment. What it's going to be is a key holder. Okay, so that part will go that way up. And it will stand on someone's wall like that, little hooks underneath to hang your keys up and put something on the top, whatever you want to clutter it up with really. But as I glued it up on the newspaper, on the back obviously got bits of newspaper stuck. So I'm just going to try and sand that off with my new Allister orbital sander. And let's see how it goes. I'm going to switch it on, see how loud it is. Obviously the switch being on the front, well obviously I can't switch it off with this hand, so I have to come across to it and switch it off with the other. Now, nice and smooth, not too shabby. Put it on this side and give it a little blast on this side. It's fairly weighty, yeah, I wouldn't say it's the lightest of orbital sanders. It is a bit weighty. Fairly smooth. Although I don't think that sandpaper is really that good for this. In fact, I'll say it hasn't got much bite in it at all, to be honest with you. So I did buy the universal sandpaper discs from B&Q. So we will hope that these fit. And there's different gradients of paper. No, not it's 80. They're all 80. So I do want that. Anyway, live and learn. There's 5 in here. I think it's only like £5. Not too much more. So in here, there's sand sheets. Now if these fill, yeah, they do feel a lot different. This is supposed to be 80. Well, I'll say this feels more like an 80. So let's see if I can get it lined up on it. Happy days. Just put this to one side a minute. Give it a little go of this. Yeah, I'd say that paper is better than the one that comes with it. So you see the gloss on it, look, that's not gonna do much. If you want a sandpaper, you want it abrasive, and to me that feels too smooth. You can see it's glossy, look. Yeah. Anyway, that's come up nice. So, to recap, the McAllister portable sander, that's easy for me to say, not too bad. That's what it says on the tin, not bad at all. So it comes with that one sheet of paper, it's a 300 watt motor, it's not too loud to be honest with you. It might sound loud on the video, but I've had a lot louder tools than that. And yeah, okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. The next one I will actually be doing this. Okay, oh sorry, can you do it? I'll actually be finishing this off, and I'll do a little video on doing that basically. Alright guys, have a good one, catch you laters.